Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kagem. Today is my updated luxury wish list video. I think I'm also going to be doing like luxury favorites every month as well. There's so many cool things on the market right now in the luxe world and in the fast fashion world I want to talk to you guys about. But today it's just going to be about luxury shopping. Guys, thank you so much for all of the new people who have subscribed and who have been commenting on my videos. Such a blessing. Thank you. I also have information about a giveaway at the end for every single person who is subscribed to this channel. So please make sure that you also follow me on my socials. I have TikTok now. It's linked in the description below. I'm very active on Facebook. I'm very active on Instagram and TikTok. So please make sure that you follow me on those platforms, because the information about the giveaway in the coming weeks or whatever will also be disseminated on there as well. So I really hope you enjoy this video. We'll talk about the giveaway at the end. I can't wait to hear your opinions about the things that I want to get. This is like an updated video. There are many things that I also like from the sort of big brands that we always talk about, like Dior and Hermes. Haven't really featured them that much in this updated luxury wish list, because I do want to talk about other brands that I like as well. So if you love luxury, you know what to do. Please subscribe and like this video and keep watching. The photo that you've just seen is the Bvlgari bracelet. That one is 9,200 euros. I prefer the Bvlgari line. There are a few different bracelets within that line. They have mother of pearl. I think some of them have malachite. Some of them have onyx as well. I really like this line. I think it's just a bit fresher. The Serpenti line for me feels a bit aged. I don't know, there's something about it that feels a bit aged and doesn't really speak to me. It could be because I don't really like the snake motif as well, so it's never going to speak to me, if that makes sense. But I do like the Bvlgari line, and I love this bracelet. I think it's so cute. It definitely competes with the Cartier Love bracelet as well. You can tell that this is Bvlgari's response to the Love bracelet. If you don't like logos, you're probably not gonna like this bracelet. I like logos and I like it. The Louis Vuitton Dauphine has been on my wish list for a really long time. I love this bag. I hope it remains part of the permanent collection. I really like it in the reverse monogram. I'm just pulling it up here. It's just a personal favorite. On here they're saying in the UK right now, the large one in the monogram canvas is £2,360. I like it. This is obviously the bigger one. A lot of people on Instagram have the mini one. I have a lot of small bags right now, so I don't feel like I need a mini bag. I think this is like a really nice shoulder bag to have. I love it. I think it's so great. I think this one can also kind of be turned into like a daily driver. It's definitely something that you could use every day, like going to work and doing a whole host of other errands. I absolutely love this bag. Looks like the chain is also removable. What do you think of the Dauphine? Is this something that you like as well? Those Gucci sunglasses you just saw, they're going for £335 from the Gucci UK website. They come in green. I love them. I think they look very retro. I do love those big 70s shades. I haven't worn them in a while. I know a lot of people feel like luxury eyewear is like a waste of money, but as someone who's I've been wearing contacts for decades. I've been wearing glasses since I was 6 years old. Luxury eyewear is not a waste of money if it's made properly and it's really good. I love these sunglasses. I think they're so pretty. And just really quickly, there are also some Gucci crystal earrings that I saw. The last time I checked, they were going for £285. I thought those were so pretty. Really like them. I don't know if I'm going to put them on the screen, but I really like those. I thought they were adorable. Gucci is decently priced. I mean, for a luxury brand, I do think Gucci's prices are pretty decent compared to other brands. I've said this before, Cartier have sunglasses that are going for more than 800 euros. So I do think that this is probably a better buy if you're thinking about value for money. I also love the Dior Notebook. It comes in a lot of different finishes right now, and it's constantly sold out on their website. So you do need to make sure that you either notify yourself or you go on the website a lot. So I was looking at the notebook a few weeks ago, but I've said this before, not a massive fan of blue, but for some reason blue is constantly in my head. I don't know why, because I don't like the color. The notebook I saw a few weeks ago was the Toile de Juillet print in blue. Not a fan. Definitely not a fan of it in red. And then it was like the Dior people were like in my brain, like, go on the website. So last week I went on the website. They had a grey one now. I think that one has like 72 pages. It's £50 on the UK site. I think I will also post a link in the description for those of you in the US to the US Dior Notebook links, because they're priced differently and they're actually different over there as well. I love this notebook and it's definitely something that I want to get. Probably going to get it this month. I love it. I don't know why, but I love it. Every time I look at it, it just speaks to me and I'm like, oh my God, this is so perfect, because I'm constantly, like when I'm at the office, I'm constantly writing down things, writing down strategy, writing down business ideas and things that I want to achieve with my company. So this would just be absolutely perfect. I think it's also really cute for like personal things. You might have maybe some things that you're like working on in your personal life. It just looks so adorable to me. I love it. Do you also have this like box of pencils, which was like £75? Just ridiculous. I just wanted to throw that out there because when I was looking at the notebook, I saw the box of pencils. I was like, no, but it still was kind of cute. You see how these brands, like, they come up with the most ridiculous expensive things to keep us tempted and to keep us like into the brand. When it comes to Versace, I'm actually into the Biggie Medusa sunglasses. I think those ones are really cute. Versace have always made really nice sunglasses in general. I've always vibed with them. I think the prices are decent. I think the prices are fair. I'm waiting to see some of like, if there are any new collections, obviously there will be this year, and new products. Apparently there's going to be like a new print that Donatella is going to be launching soon. So hopefully we can see that. I've always been into their sweatshirts as well. There was a time a few years ago they made some sweatshirts with like a really nice print on them. It's hit and miss. It just depends what's going on with them at the time. But I'm very much into Versace, and definitely the sunglasses are what has drawn me in. I live in a hot country, so I can justify spending quite a bit on shades because it's something that I will use every single day. When it comes to Moschino, I absolutely love this Moschino Couture T-shirt. Moschino is so underrated. I think people need to give this brand way more of a chance. They've got some really cool clothing. They've just got some cool stuff there that I've been seeing and digging and vibing. And I saw this and I was like, oh my God, I need to put this on my wish list. I think Moschino is also decently priced considering that it's a luxury brand that's quite famous. I've done a video about them before and I'll make sure that I link it in the description below. I really want to get a Balenciaga T-shirt. Again, I'm thinking about things that are relevant for my lifestyle in Tanzania. Tanzania is hot, honey. So it's nice to have like T-shirts that are obviously made of cotton that are very comfortable. I like Balenciaga. Their T-shirts change every season. There were some really cool ones that had like this tiny font. I think that was from last year. I love those. They were very expensive. I don't think anyone here is justifying the cost of these products. I am not trying to justify them. They are what they are, but I'm also into a Balenciaga T-shirt. Right now I'm signed up to Farfetch. I'm also going to open accounts at my Teresa and Louisa Via Roma. So if I see like a Balenciaga and if I get a code or something from any of these brands in terms of like just seeing a discount code, I think I'll definitely get a Balenciaga T-shirt. I kind of like that it's Logo Mania, but it's like a tiny font. I think that was like the previous collection, but I love that T-shirt. I don't know why. I always talk about the trendy, and I was going to try and not talk about Chanel or all these other brands I talk about often in this wish list, because there are other brands that I'm interested in, not just the typical ones I'm always talking about like Chanel, Dior, Hermes, and LV. But I do have to just mention the trendy again. The trendy is back. Part 2 of the 21 Spring Summer collection. The trendy is back and I'm so happy. I'll be talking about the part 2 bags and costume jewelry and accessories on Saturday, so please make sure that you're subscribed and you stay subscribed because I think you guys will enjoy that video. But obviously the trendy with chevron is always going to be on my wish list and it's like a permanent fixture. I would love to get an alligator or crocodile piece from Hermes, like a wallet or something like that. I heard that, I haven't checked this, so I can't be sure exactly right now. I'll probably have to check it afterwards. But I have heard that they're like Kelly wallets in exotics. I love exotics, so that would be really cool. I heard that there isn't also a game in order to get these exotic wallets. You can just go into the store and order it, so that's a good thing. I'm also obsessed with the Louis Vuitton Twist bags in exotics. So obsessed. My cousin would make fun of me with the twist bag. She'd be like, ooh, the twist bag is like kind of makes you look older. I don't think the twist bag makes anyone look older. I think the twist bag is so cute. It's very elegant, it's very feminine. And then I was looking at the exotic skins for the twist bag the other day. OMG, so gorgeous, so stunning. I'm absolutely obsessed with those. I wanted to throw those in there. I'm also interested in getting a tote bag from Celine that just has like the Celine logo on it. I think Celine is great if you are someone who doesn't like logos. Okay, I did just say it had logos on it. This is like one of the Logo Mania totes that they made. I think the Celine is just a great brand for people who like to fly under the radar. It's very well priced, and I think the prices are decent considering this is a very storied luxury brand with a very strong history, and their products are really beautiful as well. Finally, I also am going to be adding the on-the-go tote bag from Vuitton as well. That is a bag that I'm really liking at the moment. I prefer it in reverse monogram. It comes in a lot of different pictures. For me personally, I'm not a fan of the empreinte. Just for me personally, I know the empreinte is like really big for many people. It's not something that I personally like, but I can see why people are into it. I also really like the LV Louise earrings. I feel like LV has just like a lot of stuff that you can get. You could definitely easily go there and just buy tons of stuff from there. And then when it comes to prêt-à-porter, I also really like dresses from LV. Last year, there were some really cute Louis Vuitton dresses. They were absolutely adorable. Again, logos. If you don't like logos, you probably won't like these bags. But I do remember seeing this beautiful denim dress from LV, and I thought it was so cute. So again, with stuff like that, it's like, for me, at the very least, like my body is weird. Even though right now I'm like losing weight. On here, I like on my top half, I wear like a UK 12. I can even fit into a UK 10 on ASOS. It just depends like what fabric it's made from. But on my hips, I'm a 14. So I feel like in these like French and Italian luxury brands, I would definitely need to try the clothes on in the store because it's too much of a risk. Going by UK sizing, and then we all know European sizing tends to run small anyway. Okay guys, so this is just like a snapshot of things that I'm interested in. I'm just like really into so many things, not even like everything that I've spoken about, but I did want to talk about some other brands that I don't normally get to talk about a lot, like Celine, Gucci, and Balenciaga. And Versace, of course. I have so many interests. It's not just the typical brands, but it's just that normally, like on YouTube and on this channel, you guys are into certain types of brands, and obviously me and many other YouTubers, we feel the same way. We want to make videos that you want to watch, but I have a lot of interest. I'm into a lot of different brands as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you subscribe and you give it a thumbs up, okay? Really helps to support me. Okay, now let's talk about this giveaway, babes. So I'm so close to 500 subs, and my husband was like, I'm giving you a private gift if you get to 500 subs. So please help me get this so I can get a private gift from my husband, okay? So I was like, hey, I'm really close. He's like, okay, but you're not there yet. But hopefully I'll be there soon. Maybe by the end of like next week or middle of next week, I'll be at 500, God willing. If I get to 500 subscribers by next week, like the end of next week or even this weekend, who knows, whenever it happens, I will do a giveaway. The giveaway is very simple, okay? A lot of giveaways are very complicated and there's such a rigmarole around them. Mine is not gonna be complicated. I live in Tanzania, that's in East Africa. We don't have luxury brands here, okay? So, and we don't even have like major high street stores here either. So it doesn't make sense for me to like buy something physically for you and to send it to you. So the giveaway will be a gift voucher giveaway, and it will be at ASOS. If you have watched some of my previous videos, you know how much I love ASOS. They're my favorite like high street or fast fashion brand. They're so slept on. I don't care what anyone says. ASOS is the exactly. So the gift card will be from ASOS. There'll be 2 winners of this giveaway. The amount is an amount that I will personally choose. I'm not going to say it because I think it's a bit naff to like say the amount right now. I don't know why. I think that's just me. And it's very simple. All you have to do, go on the ASOS website right now, check to see if you can get things delivered in your country from ASOS, because if you win this voucher, it's going to be sent to your email address, the voucher itself, and then you can just use the voucher to buy anything you want. But then it's going to be annoying if you live in a country that doesn't deliver. And by the way, ASOS pretty much delivers to everywhere except the moon, okay? Okay, except the moon, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, etc. Because I live in TZ and they deliver here. And I have to say, I don't care what anyone anyone says, ASOS are very serious. Many brands, whether they're high street or luxury, don't even know what the African continent is, let alone that there are 54 sovereign countries in Africa. So I'm very impressed with them. So yeah, so basically just go on the website and make sure that they deliver to your country, wherever you are. If you are in North America, so if you're part of Canada or you're in the US, all you do is you change the language on the website and then you'll be able to use it, no problem. But obviously ASOS is pretty much available everywhere. Once you know that you can get it, I will do another video once I have hit 500 subs. And it's like, I would have hit 500 subs and going forward. So as soon as I get to 500 subscribers, the giveaway will be done in the month where I hit 500 subscribers. And right now it's looking like this month of March will be the month where I get 500 subscribers, hopefully. So it'll be done in that month. I know sometimes people get annoyed with people. They're like, oh, that person said there's going to be a giveaway. It's been 2 months. She's a liar. She's not doing anything. I've seen people go off on YouTubers about this. My thing is not going to be like that. As soon as I'm past 500, it will be done that month when it happens. But it's not like, oh, I got 500 today, the giveaway will be tomorrow. It'll probably be done this month towards the end of the month. But that's why you have to stay subscribed and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. I don't know if you guys know this, YouTube doesn't send notifications for every single video from a creator. Even if you have hit that bell, it doesn't, okay? I've done this for other channels and I've noticed I've also missed videos. So please just make sure that you hit that bell, and when you have like turned on notifications, make sure that you're like watching my video as well and commenting, because that's what the algorithm picks up on when you do things like that. I really hope that you guys will, take part of the giveaway. I know there's like so much hype around giveaways, like, oh, people do them, you know, to attract more people and all the rest. So of course I want more of you to subscribe to my channel, to watch my videos, to comment, but I am genuinely happy that I'm so close to 500 subscribers. I remember like when I first started taking this channel seriously, I had like 110 subscribers, and there were very few people watching my videos, very few people commenting, liking, but I was so happy that any person was watching. So for all of you who have been watching my videos for a very long time, thank you for taking the time to support me. And for those of you who are new, thank you. And in my language, it's called Asante, for supporting this channel. It's such a blessing. It's such an honor. God bless you guys. I really mean it. My husband always laughs at me when he sees these videos because he's like, God, you guys are so dramatic. Like, YouTubers are so dramatic. And I think we are, but it is what it is. So the giveaway will be coming this month once I'm past the 500 subscriber threshold. I'm so excited. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I've never done a giveaway before. But my birthday is also coming at the end of April, and there'll definitely be a birthday giveaway as well. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Tell me what you think of the things that are in my wish list. What are you guys looking at? Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.